already about got the motor in. Ain't that's it right there on that ratchet, ain't it? Alright, y'all, we about got her buckled up. We get the fan on, it's got the fuel line on. We get the header on that side carburetor. Close. Alright, y'all, after a few bad words, getting everything lined back up, we're putting the fan on. One header. Put the radiator hoses on. Carburetor will be almost ready to see if we can crank again. Sometimes I wonder if all this torching and welding is worth it, but get it back together and it goes faster, it'll be worth it. Torching and welding and cutting and everything. Notice the camera's pointing forward, can't point it backwards. Got competition watching. Fuel in it as much as I've been pumping it. Yeah.
all our chores done. Jumped on the quiet cat. We're finna go off down here and see if we can find us an afternoon turkey for a couple of hours. Where you going? Looking for a turkey? What? What you doing? Come here. What you doing? Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Alright, y'all, we are hoping we found some speed on the street stock. Got that done. Got the motor put back in. Went and tried to find a turkey this afternoon, but we didn't do any good. But it was sure nice just to be out for a little while. It feels good today. Pretty day. He wanting in the back of that truck. He think there's a turkey back there, but it ain't. Alright, y'all. If y'all like our stuff, subscribe to us, Hollis Farms. Hats, t-shirts, and stickers, hollisfarm.com. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.